The top 5 sourcing methods for online arbitrage. What are they, in my opinion? Spoiler alert, reverse sourcing, storefront stalking is not going to be in the top 5 because it is a trash sourcing method, in my opinion. It is still important to do, to know what other people are selling, but it's not the most efficient. In my opinion, it's not one of the best one, in my opinion, once again. So this is what we are going to talk about today. I'm still a little bit sick, so I'm catching up on emails, on DMs, on all that stuff. And you may see me drink some tea during this video. You'll have to excuse me. If you don't want to excuse me, you can leave. You're free to leave, all right? It's my channel. I do whatever I want. But yeah, this is what we are going to talk about today. So without further ado, before we start, actually, you guys know I'm now offering one-on-one coaching. If you need a mentor, if you need someone to actually help you reach your goal on Amazon, link in the description, book a call, look at my availability, and yeah, book a call. And we can build a plan for you to actually scale. Second link in the description, you're gonna see there's a link for our Discord server. So it's the best place to meet other people selling on Amazon. I'm always over there hanging out. I haven't been over there too much because you guys know I've been sick a little bit, okay? I needed to rest and I still had a lot of work to do. So yeah, join the Discord server. I'm catching up on everything. I catch up on everything that's on the Discord right now. I'm gonna catch up on email, on all that stuff. So yeah, let's dive into the video. The first sourcing method, well, the first sourcing method that I'm going to talk about. Should we start with the best one or the worst one? No particular order, all right? First one, manually sourcing sales, all right? So in my opinion, one of the best sourcing method is to actually find some sales, because if you guys know, I talk about it a lot, about target list, all that stuff, and actually manually sourcing them. Because it's great to scan websites, do all that stuff, to do reverse sourcing, but you are gonna find the real gem by doing some manual sourcing and finding the products that software do not find and that you cannot find doing reverse sourcing, because there's not gonna be a lot of people on them. So in my opinion, this is the best way to, this is one of the best way to actually find product. You're going to find a lot of gems, and you're going to have less competition than if you do reverse sourcing, storefront stalking, or if you use tactile arbitrage, all that stuff, because not as many people are going to find those leads. Those leads are a little bit harder to find, all right? Especially if you go on website that people cannot scan with tactile arbitrage, more low-key websites that people do not necessarily check. Those websites are going to be like, whenever they have a sale, those websites are going to be super great to reverse source, all right? And especially when you start knowing your stuff. If you've done a lot of reverse sourcing, you know what product people sell, and so it's going to be super fast for your eye to actually catch product. I have a few videos on manual sourcing. You can watch them, you can find them. Just type, either watch the sourcing playlist, the sourcing playlist that I have on my channel, or type in the search bar Chris Mangunza manual sourcing. You're going to find those videos. Manual sourcing is one of the best. You're going to find your best lead by manual sourcing most of the time. All right, it's not going to be with reverse sourcing. It's not going to be with tactile arbitrage. Yes, you are going to find some great lead with tactile arbitrage and with reverse sourcing, but in my opinion, you're going to get. And what is this shade? Oh my God! And I have the sun right on my face, so let me just move this up a little bit so you guys can see me a little bit better. But and I cannot see you because of this sun. But yeah. Manual sourcing is going to be the best, one of the best method, in my opinion. You're going to find the best gem. Second sourcing method, it's going to be using the Keepa product finder. By the way, I have a whole video on that, but using the Keepa product finder to look up a specific brand that is on sale, or a specific niche where you can find products on sale right now. You can use this in conjunction with the first method, which is manual sourcing. Because, for example, let's say that there's a sale on Adidas, or let's just say Puma, because nobody cares about Puma, on Puma or on Under Armour Golf Polo, all right? You can use the Keepa product finder instead of going manually through the sale on the website and checking products one by one. What you can do is go to the Keepa product finder, go to the text field and enter Under Armour Polos. All right, and you can set a minimum price. You can do a lot of stuff. You can play with filters to find exactly the type of product that you are looking for. You can rank them by sales rank. So you can have the faster selling product on top and start looking at them from the fastest selling to the lowest. You may not look at them all, but like if there's a sale on a specific type of product, from a specific brand, for something that you can actually look up on the Keepa Product Finder, instead of going through every single product from the website one by one, start with the Keepa Product Finder to refine your search, and go look from the Keepa Product Finder from the fastest selling product if this product is on sale and if you can find it profitably. This is one of the things that I do right now. This is one of my favorite way of sourcing. This is one of the way that I source even with the product to find new listings for the product that I'm currently selling. This is what I do. And this is something I've had a lot of luck and I've made a lot of money with. The Keepa Product Finder is, everybody's using Keepa, but the Keepa Product Finder is one of the, like, everybody has, this is the crazy thing. Everybody has Keepa, but nobody is using the best feature on Keepa, which is the Keepa Product Finder. So get to know it, use it, try to use it every time you're sourcing. You're gonna find a lot of great stuff. And let me take a break just to, for my throat, because my throat is hurting and I'm still making these videos every single day for you guys. The grind don't stop, all right? So number 3, the third sourcing method that we are going to talk about today is using tactical arbitrage to scan website. Yes, I know. Everybody says that tactical arbitrage is not that good because you do not find that many products. There's a lot of bad products. And I'm sorry, I'm still moving because the sun is moving and the sun keeps moving, and so I need to adjust my position. It's a whatever. So tactical arbitrage is a great tool, all right? I don't care what other people are saying. Yes, there's a lot of mismatch. Yes, you need to go through a lot of data. It's going to be the same thing with every single sourcing method, all right? You cannot expect to run a search with tactical arbitrage and expect tactical arbitrage to return 10 products to you that are all winners, all right? It's not how it works, right? You need to filter down the results, all right? But you're going to find a lot of great stuff, and the great thing is that you can let it run in the background, all right? So while you are doing, you can let it run in the background for hours, and then at night, check all the data, go through the products, see if there's anything interesting. Yes, sometimes some stuff are not going to be interesting, but it allows you to broaden your scope, to be able to look at more plays on the internet, look at more deals, because you are not going to be able to look at all those deals manually anyways. Even if you have a lot of VAs, it's not efficient. Have tactical arbitrage run for to run for you. Try to scan sales, be super specific. Watch my video on how to actually use tactical arbitrage, because a lot of beginners use it wrong. And by the way, same thing, Chris Mangunza, tactical arbitrage in the search bar. You're gonna find a lot of deals like this. Just let it run every single day. Scan a few stuff every single day, not a few, but scan a lot of stuff every single day. And so it's always additional leads, all right? So even right now that I'm not even sourcing anymore, we are still running tactical arbitrage on sales and sometimes purchasing stuff. Or even if we are not purchasing stuff, we are still running tactical arbitrage on some website that we used to source often, even if I'm stacking money right now, waiting for a specific sale. You guys know it. If you watch my videos every single day, you know what my strategy is. So that was number 3. Number 4, the fourth sourcing method that I believe is one of the best sourcing methods, is the rabbit trail method, all right? So if you do not know what the rabbit trail method is, I have a whole video on it. It's called Using AI to Source Online Arbitrage Products, something like that. And I may have made a second one that is called rabbit trail method, whatever. The reason this sourcing method is so good is because if you do not know what it is, basically if you have a great lead, let's say you have a pair of Nike shoes, all right, and that you bought on Nike.com and that you know is a great lead, you scroll down a little bit on the page, and most of the time you have a recommended, people who bought this also bought, and it gives you a selection of products, right? So if you know that it's a pair of shoes that other resellers are buying, right, there's a good chance that these other resellers are not buying just one product, and that they are buying other products as well, right? And those products are going to be shown in the recommended products in that section, all right? There's an AI that works, because those, if someone is buying, let's say, because how it's supposed to work is, if someone is buying this pair of shoes, maybe they're going to if the algorithm see that a lot of the people that actually bought these shoes bought these socks, all right, they're going to recommend these socks to other people, all right? And if it's a product that a lot of resellers are buying, it's going to show you the products that these resellers are buying as well. So instead of sourcing for hours, you can just check that for every single product that you buy and check those products on Amazon, and you may find some gold, all right? I used to find a ton of products this way when I was sourcing at Bed Bath & Beyond. Rest in peace, Bed Bath & Beyond. It was such a great website to source. But it was like, and on some, it works better on some websites than on others. But always check, you should always check this section because it's a great way to find some leads super fast. All right, it's a great way, like it's not time consuming at all. If you find a great lead, always check that. And go back to your lead bank, especially if you have replenishable product, go to your lead bank and check on all your replenishable product, this section, all right? Same thing, you can, if you have replenishable, you can stalk the storefront of people on your, that are selling the same replenishable as you, and you may be able to find some more replenishable, all right? But storefront stalking is trash, we're not going to talk more about it. Last sourcing method, and I believe this is one of the best one, and this is one of the sourcing method. I think this is actually the best one, especially when you are in your early days, because it is a sourcing method that helped me make a lot of money when I was sourcing beauty products. And I talked about this a lot, and this is why I kept it for as the last one, because it's a golden nugget for you guys that are watching these videos until the end. So if you watch until here, comment a chicken emoji. We're gonna see. I'm pretty sure nobody's gonna do it, but if you did, do it, please, so I can see that you watched this video until here. This sourcing method is going to be manual sourcing, but it's going to be manual sourcing specific products. Okay, it's going to be manually sourcing bundles, to break them, to break the bulk, like break the bundles and sell every single product individually. And I talk a little bit about that at the end of my manual sourcing video, all right? And I show you how to actually do it. It's such a great method because, first of all, people that are reverse sourcing are not necessarily going to find those bundles because the name is not going to match, all right? For example, let's say, I think the example I use in my manual sourcing video was with the brand Lancôme. All right, it's a makeup brand, and so they had a cosmetic. I don't know if they sell makeup, whatever. I never sold this brand, and I think that it's restricted right now, so you're not going to be able to sell this brand. But it's just for the sake of the example. You may have a bundle with a lipstick, a facial cream. I don't know what other cosmetic, like how is it called? A mascara, all that stuff. Let's say just with these three products. Usually bundle sells at a discount, all right? Because they want you to buy more and to actually save money. Sometimes you can even stack that up with a coupon, with all that stuff. And so you are gonna get those products way cheaper. And the name of the bundles do not have the name of the products in them, all right? So it could be called, I don't know, let's say it's a special event like Lancôme Christmas bundle, all right, with those three products. People that are reverse sourcing your storefront and other storefront are, when they are actually looking on Google, they are not going to find those bundles, all right? Even same thing, people that are scanning those websites, the bundles are not going to register because you need to actually buy the bundles, break them down, and send every single items individually, all right? So, because of that, it's such a great sourcing method, and the luminosity is getting worse and worse. I need to put my face in the light, it's crazy. Let me see, too dark. Okay, this is the sweet spot right there. We're almost down anyway. So, sourcing bundles is like, it's going to be way less competition on those items because people are not going to know where to find those items profitably. I made a lot of money in my early days when I was selling a lot of beauty products doing this. The great thing with beauty products is when you buy a ton of beauty products on a lot of those websites, you receive products for free as well. So just combine that with this and sell those free products as well. And so this is how you can skyrocket your profit margins, all right? Above 25%, close to 30%. Because like the beauty category is a super great, if you prep yourself especially, it's a super great, and it's really getting dark right now with the shade, but it's a super great source, like it's a super great category to source, all right? So these are my top 5 favorite sourcing methods to sell on Amazon. If you do online arbitrage. So once again, link in the description, book a call with me, link in the description, join the Discord server. Watch these videos if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow because I release a new video every single day about selling on Amazon. Thanks for watching.